I'm weary, Lord, the night feels long, my prayers fall short, my hope feels gone. I walk this road with shaking hands, trying to trust what I don't understand. I've learned the words I'm meant to say, but faith feels thin at the end of the day. I bow my head, but doubt remains. Still you hear me say your name. I don't come with courage, I don't come with sight, just this fragile heart reaching through the night. I can't be strong, Lord, but you still are. When I feel lost, you know where I am. I am worn down, Lord, yet you don't turn. Your love still holds me when I can't learn. When my strength runs dry, you stay. When my hope fades out, you stay. I can't be strong, Lord, but you don't walk away. I search for peace in quieter lives, temporary light that couldn't last. I tried to heal what you were near, but every path brought me back here. You never rushed my fragile faith, you never asked why I was late. You met me here without a sound, grace waiting on holy ground. You don't demand my answer, you don't test my word, you just sit with me in the dust of her. I can't be strong, Lord, but you are close, closer than the fear I know. I am empty, Lord, but you breathe life again inside of me. When my courage breaks, you stay. When my heart feels numb, you stay. I can't be strong, Lord, but you still choose to stay. When all I have is one deep breath, you say, my child, that is enough. When words don't come and tears fall fast, you count each one, you hold them all. I don't need to prove my faith, I don't need to earn your name. If all I bring is honesty, you meet me there and carry me. I can't be strong, Lord, but you are light, breaking through my darkest nights. I am fragile, Lord, yet I see you've been steady over me. When my faith feels small, you stay. When I lose my way, you stay. I can't be strong, Lord, but you are enough. Not in answers, not in haste. I can't be strong, Lord, but I am known